Is this thing on? I think it's on. We got more fireworks.
Just have to look through this squished bones.
Yeah, let me pull out and go this way.
There we go.
We got here just in time for the grand finale. Which honestly, I've seen better. And no, Tammy, sis, I'm not talking about Disney being better. Disney's obviously better. I've seen better displays, period, in the state of Wisconsin. Red, green, orange, blue, purple. The color doesn't translate very well here. Even when you're getting in nice and tight and close. And I think that was it. For a grand finale? Meh. Okay. Love yous. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.